Okay, another common question or confusion that we have from users is how to test MPTL links. Now we have a number of resources on this, videos that show the detail of how to set up the tester settings and other things, but we wanted to give you one more view of the actual connecting equipment that you're going to be using to test these MPTL links. Quick refresher, MPTL links, it's not a channel link and it's not a permanent link, it's something else, a totally different link definition, and you need different connecting hardware to do that test properly. You also need a different limit in the tester, okay? Otherwise, it's going to give you possibly incorrect results, okay? This is the same for everybody. It's just a new TIA rule. These type of links are going to wireless access points or cameras commonly. The point to that link is that there's no equipment cord between the device and the end of the link, okay? So here's the connecting hardware. On the local unit, you've got a permanent link adapter. Now that's common equipment that is in the Wire Expert test kit, okay? Permanent link adapter and permanent link reference cord. That's giving you an RJ45 male to go into the patch panel. However, on the remote side, what you will have is a patch cord adapter. It is not a channel adapter. That is our patch cord adapter, okay? Now this gives you a different test plane and is key to making this measurement correctly, okay? What's really nice about the patch cord adapter is they actually can be disassembled and this jack can be replaced, okay? It's category specific, so this one is for Cat 6A, so it tests Cat 6A links only. There's a different one for Cat 6 and even a different one for 5E, but most commonly it's going to be 6A and 6 going to those wireless access points and those cameras in these MPTL links, right? But that plugs into the remote unit here, and now your MPTL link, which will have a jack on one side and probably one contiguous segment to a modular plug directly into the device on the other side. It will be tested between the permanent link adapter and the patch cord adapter on the other side. And this is, like I said, an accessory. It's available from Softing. It does not come in the standard kit.